So today I'm eating this green spaghetti with vegetables. And this meat sauce. This is ground beef, but it's like the extra lean, so it's pretty healthy. The pasta is green because I think it's spinach. Excuse the mess. I just got back from a run, so I'm still pretty winded. But anyways, this is a good way to get your veggies in. Green pasta, pretty good. So this mukbang thing, it's really big right now. Like, of course, you know, the more videos you watch on mukbang, the more they appear in your feed. So I get all these recommendations of different mukbangs, and to tell you the truth, I gravitate towards them because who doesn't want to watch someone eat? And the vegetables that I have here, there's some, let's see, carrots, broccoli, green beans, a little bit of corn, and what else? I think it was yellow peppers. Anyways, any way that you can get your veggies in, you should try it. Fiber is good for you. This is the pasta that I was talking about. It's this green one. Had some leftover, so I think it's like a spinach based one, and I'm not sure what other veggies. Let's see if I have it here. Oh wait, it's here. Show you. Worst angle ever. There it is. It's called Super Greens Enriched Pasta with Spinach, Zucchini, Broccoli, Parsley, and Kale. It's actually pretty good. I really like that one, and I really enjoy this other Garden Delight. That one has carrot, tomato, and spinach pasta. So, I like wheat pasta, don't get me wrong, I do. But my husband really doesn't. So this is like the only way that I can get him to somewhat eat healthier pasta, or at least get some veggies in. So you guys should try it out. But so the sauce, we made it with extra lean ground beef. You can use turkey. I think the extra lean beef has like total of only like 5 grams of fat with like 2 saturated, which is not bad. Of course, if you use like the turkey, is gonna be much better for you, but this is not bad at all. Mushroom stew. And I bought this water. It's a sparkling water. It's a coconut flavor. It's just like club soda, but it tastes like coconut. It's actually pretty good. Gives you like the satisfaction of like drinking a soda without drinking a soda. So, anyways. Probably cut this video soon because I'm too much blabbing. We'll talk later.